Welcome to this video on frame analysis. We will use Actus Potentia's free body diagram application to analyze the frame. This is the workspace and these are the tools in the top ribbon, and you can build the frame by using these drawing tools. So we click on a straight element, bring it to the workspace, rotate and stretch it, bring another member, stretch it, another member, join the members with pins, we will add some supports, a pin support, another pin support. Now we will add some loading. We add a load at pin A. We rotate the loading a little bit. Add another loading at pin C. Now the frame is built, the loads are added. Now we can draw the free body diagram. Click on the free body diagram button. You will get the free body diagram for the whole body, free body diagram of the top horizontal member, free body diagram of the bottom horizontal member. There are two force members. One is vertical, the other one is inclined. And here you will get the free body diagram of the pins. This is the pin A with the loading, pin C with the loading, and these are pin B and pin D that are the pin supports, and then this is pin E and pin F where the inclined member is attached. Now let's think about analyzing this frame. First we look at the whole free body diagram. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 unknowns. Member ABF, which is the top horizontal member, has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 unknowns. Member CDE, the bottom horizontal member, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 unknowns. We cannot solve this free body diagram because we can write only 3 equations, whereas we have 4 unknowns. We cannot solve this free body diagram. We can write 3 equations, 2 force balance equations and 1 moment balance equation, and we have 5 unknowns. Same thing with here, 3 equations, 5 unknowns. Now let's see how the computer asks us to draw this free body diagram or to do the analysis of this frame. So we ask the computer to give us the solution strategy. I can see that in step 1, it asks us to solve simultaneously the whole FBD, the top horizontal member, and pin A. 3 free body diagrams together. So let's see how many equations we are going to get from these 3 free body diagrams. Whole FBD will give us 3 equations. Member ABF will give us 3 equations, and pin A will give us 2 equations. So 3 plus 3 plus 2, we are going to get altogether 8 equations. Let's see how many unknowns we have so that we can use these 8 equations to solve the problem. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 unknowns. 4 unknowns. Member ABF, you should not count this FOBY and FOBX because that will be double counting, because the whole free body diagram has these BX, BY. So these two forces should not be double counted when we go to member ABF. So what do we have? 4 from here. Don't double count this. 5, 6, 7. And then it asks us to look at pin A. So let's look at pin A. Pin A has the load and FOAX, FOAY, and the force from the two force members. We should not double count FOAX and FOAY because these are the FOAX and FOAI which we have already counted. So when we go to pin A, don't count that, but F1A should be counted. So let's go back to the count one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't double count. 5, 6, 7. Don't double count. FOAY, so F1A. So altogether 8. So if we write 8 equations from the whole FBD, member ABF, and pin A, we can count the 8 unknowns. And then the rest of the solution, this is the most critical step because you have to solve 8 equations simultaneously, and rest of it follows fairly easily. Thank you for watching.